I got that. Awesome. Oh, Troy, 2-minute tip. Let's do it. Corin, 2-minute tip. Let's do it.
2-minute what?
Tip. Knife making tip.
Be kind to your mother.
Big, yeah, I was just going to say.
Come on. Look, wait. You said that. He said, no, you didn't say that. Someone else said it.
Never say that.
2-minute tip.
2-minute knife tip. Let's do it.
Don't make a mistake, make smaller knives.
Yeah, and masking tape's your friend. That wasn't 2 minutes, was it?
No, it was like a second and a half.
But my tip is on masking tape, totally.
Okay, let's do your tip.
Masking tape. When you do your front edge of your full tang knife, you shape your front of the bolster where it meets the blade. Then put masking tape on your blade, put the bolster on and scribe around it. Take your scale back off, take your tape off, and you've got a perfect line where your bolster sits. Then tape the edge of your bolster. So when you glue up, your glue now spills out onto your tape. Wait for it to go a bit jelly and peel it off, and your glue line is spot on every time. Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
Gold. Thanks, man.
You're able to
man.
rough the spine up. You're able to rough the spine up, and you know exactly where your scale's going to sit. So you can rough right up to the edge of your spine, so your glue will bite better.